Our referral program is a big part of the Pawns.app experience, helping people across the world earn together. Today, we're introducing a brand new feature called Pawns.app Poke. The goal here is to make your referral experience more dynamic and ultimately more rewarding. Since day one, our users have asked for a way to interact with their referrals. The reasons for this are obvious. You might want to say thanks or motivate someone to keep going. Sharing is caring after all, and that's what Poke is all about. Here's how it works. Step 1. Tap the Earn More tab and choose how you want to invite your friends to join Pawns.app. You can use any referral links, unique videos, social media posts, or QR codes and start sharing it in a second. Step 2, you can see how your referrals are doing by tapping the Invitees button. Tap on any user there and you'll see if they're active or not. You can also check if they've reached their first, second, and third payout so you both get the $3 referral bonus. Step 3, here's the fun part. You can poke any referral on your list regardless of their activity. If they're not doing so great, they'll get an inspirational message to help them reach their goal. On the other hand, if they're super active and already got the $3 for both of you, we'll thank them on your behalf. How cool is that? That's it for this one, guys. As always, leave us a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're always the first to know when we release a new feature. Until next time, go check the Earn More tab, see how your referrals are doing, and poke away.